IFT Hair Science.
the best hairline artist.
Okay, so my name is Abraham Arbazullah. I'm from Dhaka. I landed yesterday over here, and the clinic has been nothing but helpful. So far, they have helped me and my family out with the accommodation and all, and they were also very friendly and welcoming in every way. And the doctors will come and talk with you in the most friendliest way, and they will make you feel very comfortable about the whole thing, about the entire process and all. Hairfall actually, it initially began like 2 years ago. And so my hair was done using the Interlocking FUE Technique, which basically consists of three steps. One is the extraction, then comes the slitting, then the implantation. Everything are done by the skillful doctors here. Everyone, not just the doctors. I'll say that starting from the receptionist when you walk into the door, like through the entire process, everyone is more than friendly, welcoming, and I have had a great experience here. Yeah, I mean, my transplant took place in 2 days. Could have been done in a day, but they wanted to take the time so that the results come out perfect, flawless, which it did. As you can see, I'm very happy with the results here, alhamdulillah. And if you also want a hair transplant with the best affordable rate and also with the best possible staff you can find, you can always click on the link, and the clinic will thoroughly help you with the entire process. Thank you.